Hello guys, welcome back to Gadget Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix the face unlock is not working on your S23 Ultra and how we can fix it. So this issue is happening for many of the users because of two reasons. One, because of the software issues. Another one, some kind of issues, which kind of technical issues. So we're going to talk about both. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to clear the front camera. So as you can see, we are having the front camera over here. So whenever you are trying to unlock with your face, if it is not working, you need to make sure the front camera is working fine, or you have to clean it with some kind of special clothes are available where you can wipe it. Because if any kind of things are happening over there, which will be like a hindrance, which will be causing the issue up. So we just need to clean the front camera. After the front camera is cleaned, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about nothing but we need to improve the lighting condition. That is what we have to do. So right now I'm in the studio and we are having a good soft boxes are there. Everything is there. So we are under a good lighting condition. But if you're using this particular one in the dark scenarios, you'll be having a lot of trouble. So it is very general speaking, we have to make sure that we are having a good lighting condition, or else we'll be having the trouble. So just make sure that. Third one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the software like I said. Many users end up in having the same issue, but they fixed it, not from their end, but they just updated, so it fixed them. So just go over here, navigate to settings. Now from here scroll down and navigate to about phone. Now from here we just need to keep scrolling down and navigate to software update. Tap on download and install. Over here as you can see, myself I have paused it because we're in the middle of shooting. So just update the software, and after the update is successfully done, we just need to go back and try launch the game. That is what we have to do. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to do a restart on the device as well. For few users it worked. So to do a restart we have to press the volume down and power button. So I'll be showing you this with my two fingers over here. So this particular one represents the on and this represents the power button. So just press volume down and power button together like this. When you do this, you will be getting this option. Now from here you have to go for restart. Once the restart is successfully done, just try and most probably the issue will be completely fixed as well. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to reset the face. So if it's already enabled, you can reset it. So try resetting the face, and because that even helps some of the guys, you can try this out. And also I request you to remove the screen protector if you're using actually. So as you can see, I'm using the screen protector over here. So this even sometimes is one of the main villain reason why we are having this issue. So just remove the screen protector and keep in mind, so it is very important. So if you remove the screen protector, it will be working fine as well. So just remove the screen protector. Afterwards, try and see whether the issue is solved. Last and the least one is all about you can do a factory reset. So you can try this out. So just go over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to about phone. Scroll down and navigate to reset. Now from here we have to go to reset, factory data reset. Keep in mind you will be losing everything. When you do this, you will be losing everything over here. So just remove it. Once you remove everything, most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.